Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol sa balitang ito kung saan ang sabi rito ay Samsung resolves issue affecting XRP users on Zoom. Ayan, naayos na daw po ng Samsung yung problema na nakakaapekto sa mga users ng XRP dito sa platform na si Zoom. Kaya ayan, isa po itong magandang balita lalong-lalo na sa mga gumagamit ng Zoom dyan. At ayan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Ayan, Samsung has pushed a software update that effectively resolves an earlier issue affecting users' secure data on XRP ledger-based self-custodial wallet Zoom. Yan po si Zoom. Siya po ang self-custodial wallet ng XRP ledger-based. Yan, XRP ledger-based po siya. Kaya marami pong gumagamit ng Zoom. Ayan. At isa po itong magandang balita sapagkat nagkaroon po kasi ng issue nitong mga nakalipas lamang na mga araw. Ayan, ang mga users at naapektuhan yung mga gumagamit ng Zoom. Agad naman pong kumilos ang Samsung para ayusin ito. Kaya nagkaroon sila ng software update. Kaya ngayon ay maayos na po ito. Ayan. Samsung has swiftly addressed an issue that plagued XRP users on the popular Zoom wallet due to a previous faulty software update. Ayan. Nagkaroon po ng problema kasi dulot po yan ng isang faulty software update na rin po. Ayan. Maraming issue yung software update na kanilang ginawa kaya nagkaroon ng problema dito kay Zoom wallet. Pero agad naman pong kumilos ang Samsung para ayusin ito. Ayan, kasi marami po sa mga XRP users ang naapektuhan dito. The faulty update had caused disruptions in the Zoom app and other applications on Galaxy S21 devices leading to crashes. Yan po yung naging resulta ng faulty software update na ito. Kung pag ginagamit po ng mga users ng Zoom app, ayan, yung mga users ng Zoom app, yung panibagong update, yan, ay nagka-crash po ito. Yan, hindi yung parang ito ay naghahang, ayan, or nagiging blanco na lamang or parang na-freeze yung screen. Yan, ganyan po, or talagang hindi mo na ma-access talaga. Kaya yan lamang, ganyan yung nagiging resulta. Kaya ayan, Zoom support took to X where they announced the positive development. They reported that Samsung had released an update that provided a solution to the issue. In cases where users still face this problem, Zoom support advised either updating their devices or reaching out to the support team for assistance. Kaya ayan, kung isa po kayo sa mga gumagamit dyan ng Samsung, ayan, yung Galaxy S21 na mga devices, ayan po yung mga naapektuhan dito sa faulty software update na ito. Ayan. Ang gagawin nyo lamang ay, ayan, meron po silang inilabas na panibagong update. Kaya i-re-update na lamang po ulit ninyo. Pero kung pag wala pa rin, kung pag ganyan pa rin, ay kontakin na lamang po ninyo yung Zoom support. Ayan, Zoom support para magbigay sa inyo ng advice. Ayan, mga advices. Ayan, kung ano yung dapat ninyong gawin. Kaya ayan, Zoom support. We are getting reports from Samsung and Zoom wallet users, specifically Samsung Galaxy S21 users. Yan po yung mga talagang naapektuhan na mga users, yung mga gumagamit ng mga devices na Samsung Galaxy S21. Samsung operating system update push on October 12 by Samsung damages the Zoom wallet secure data store. This results in Zoom not opening again. Ayan. Nangyari pa po pala ito noong mga October 12. Kaya ayan, medyo may mga ilang araw na rin pala ang nakakalipas. Kaya ayan, pero ang magandang balita ay naayos na nila. Ayan. Naayos na nila ito. Kaya yan update, Samsung has released an update which seems to solve the issue. If you are still encountering these problems, make sure you update your device or contact Zoom support if that didn't solve the issue. Yan na nga yung sinabi ko kanina. Kung hindi pa rin po ninyo ma-access yung inyong Zoom wallet, ay i-update lamang po ninyo yung inyong device. At kung hindi pa rin ito ang ito pa rin ay nagka-crash pa rin yung Zoom wallet ninyo, ay kontakin na lamang ninyo yung Zoom support. Ayan, Witsy Wind, the founder of XRPL Labs, the development team behind Zoom, further confirmed the much-anticipated resolution in a post. According to Wind, everything is working as intended for Zoom and Samsung users. Ayan. Ayon po kay Wetsy, siya po ang founder ng XRPL Labs at ayon po sa kanya ay maayos na po ang lahat. Yan, para sa mga Zoom tsaka Samsung users. Kaya yan po yung kanyang actual na post dito sa kanyang X handle. The earlier issue. Ayan, as disclosed by the Crypto Basic, the issue initially surfaced for Zoom users, especially those with Samsung Galaxy S21 devices, when a Samsung operating system update released 2 weeks back disrupted the secure data store used by the Zoom wallet. Yan po yung nangyari na issue, yung problema. Ayan. The resulted in Zoom failing to open properly. Ayan, this resulted in Zoom failing to open properly. Kaya hindi po nagbubukas ng maayos ang Zoom wallet. Lalong-lalo na sa mga devices na Samsung Galaxy S21. The support team advised users to check if they had their secret keys before installing the problematic update, as they might have to remove and then reinstall Zoom, subsequently importing their account with the secret key again. For users with Zoom, Tangent cards, or those who had previously recorded their secret keys, the recovery process was relatively straightforward. They could easily import their card or keys again. However, the support team cautioned users to rekey their accounts before installing the Samsung update if they were unsure. The Zoom community quickly responded to the earlier disclosure of the issue, with some users sharing their experiences and potential solutions. One Zoom user who owned an S21 Ultra reported no issues, suggesting that the problem might be more specific than just the phone model. Ayan. Another user recounted their experience, noting that they knew to delete and reinstall the app as soon as the issue occurred, thanks to having their keys safely stored. This proactive approach is the recovery process for them. Ayan, naghanap po ng iba't ibang mga solution yung mga users at kusa po nilang naayos yung mga problema. Yung naging problema na ito. The active support for Zoom have resonated well with the community. These active measures to ensure user protection are some of the reasons behind its growth. The wallet recently recorded over 602K or 602,000 active users across several countries. Ayan, ang dami po talagang gumagamit ng Zoom wallet. Ayan, at meron pa akong mga nababasa dyan na kakripto natin dito. Ayan, kakripto natin po mismo rito na nanonood. Ayan, gumagamit na rin ng Zoom wallet. Ayan, basta gumagamit ka ng Zoom wallet ay isa ka sa mga investors ng XRP. Kaya ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siyang magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.